All right, let's make some absolutely delicious garlic infused olive oil, my friends. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also do the stovetop double broiler method on low to medium heat. We're gonna go ahead and peel the garlic, or you can buy pre-peeled garlic if you prefer. We're simply gonna add the olive oil to the garlic, and this is the time to add any other buds or favorite herbs you'd like. We're simply gonna top it because we don't plan on using that much, so it's gonna be a nice smaller batch. We set the timer for 90 minutes, an hour and a half at that 200 degrees Fahrenheit. When that hour and a half time is up, we're simply just gonna give it a little swirl here and put it back in for another hour and a half. The thermometer is not really necessary, but it is very helpful, especially if you do have some buds in there. As you can see, that garlic is nice and roasted after 3 hours total. You could probably get away with doing about 2.5 hours too. We're simply gonna dump it through the Mason pot fine strainer, allow that delicious oil to drain out. We're gonna put in some angel hair pasta, and then I'm gonna show you what I love to do with this roasted garlic. So simple, just put it on some toast points. You can mix it in other meals, but this right here, little toasted baguette, the little garlic spread, and we are in business, guys. And my friends, just a couple quick notes here at the end. As you saw, we did a very small batch. I plan on using this infused olive oil within a couple days, and it's important to store it in the refrigerator. It's also important that it hits that 200 degree Fahrenheit mark so it could burn off anything and really infuse there and not have to worry about any bacteria or anything else. I definitely don't recommend just dropping garlic into the oil and letting it infuse. That's not the way to go about it. I've heard people getting sick from that. I've never done it necessarily, but I don't recommend it. The heat is very important there, guys. So the longer shelf life, I'd say I'm gonna use this within a couple days, but if stored in the refrigerator, I would say a week, 2 weeks maybe. I've had some longer than that, but I definitely recommend using it as fast as possible, and just look at the shelf life is about like 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. But again, I'm using this in a couple days. Feel free to dive in some more research and do you guys. Just wanted to put those couple notes at the end. Thank you for chilling. What other oils or butters would you like to see infused?